Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here today to talk about Spellbinders die cutting sale. Wasn't going to do a video, but then when I found myself going there and shopping, and I was like, you know what? Some of these deals in this sale are really good. It's the die cutting deals are falling sale. It's up to 40% off on a select group of items. Some items I think are actually 50 in this sale. There are two categories: decent deals and then the steal. So in this video, I'm going to show you some notables that I think are a steal. If you have been holding out, maybe it's time. I also noticed that a few things that have been in some of these sales are starting to really clearance out, meaning they're not restocked. Especially, hint, hint, Postage Edge Shapes collection. Oh, by the way, yesterday was the unveiling of the August Kit Club. You'll see my Kit Club video tomorrow. I have one or two things to finish up on it, but yes. And it's not Christmas. It's like all year round, birthday, thank you cards. It's a cutie patootie too. Alrighty, crafters, let's get into this video. Let's get started. First up, not on super sale, but it is back in stock, and it is $10 off the retail of this wonderful past Kit Club item. This is Club Blooms, back in stock, has sold out about 3 times already. If you've been waiting, now you can get the extra 10 off. If you're part of Kit Club, then you'll get your 10% that you can apply to this as well. Yes, Club Blooms. Do I need to say anything else? Different colorways, but boy, is this a fabulous floral die set as a foundation. Club Blooms, I know this is not part of the huge steal, but when it's something that's a hard sellout, doesn't go on sale often, you can get that discount and then apply an extra discount if you are a Kit Club member, then yeah, it's a deal. Alrighty, moving on. Up next, now this is a deal. Holiday Blooms. It retails for $26.99. Now it's $16.19. Yay! And its best friend, Winter Welcome Sled. These are all holiday blooms. Some of this here is part of the Winter Welcome Sled. I don't have the rate here, but I'll show you. Love this set. Love, love, love. It's one of those that when you see it on sale like this and it's in stock, Christmas is coming, you might want to take a real good look at it. Now, this card and this card, everything here is on sale, except because this is a die cutting sale. So the embossing folder is not on sale. The glimmer is not on sale. That was recently, but not this sale. But everything here is on sale. So I'm going to do a quick sidebar into this. Tags. Tags are on sale. And I will just put a general link for the tags because it depends on which tag you want. These tag sets are on sale. Mini tags, which you see there, that's on sale, which is the assorted tags. There is the sentiment labels. Love this one. That's on sale. Create a decorative tag. This is on sale as well. And they're all pretty decent prices, okay? So that's a little steal right there. Oh, see the little assorted tags here? Love. So little tags, these are cute. And then the big one here, even Tweet Cardinal. That's on sale. I put a link. I'm going to put a link for everything I'm mentioning, even though I don't have the die in front of me for Tweet Cardinal. But seeing that I have it here on this and you're seeing 2 examples of it, I'll go ahead and put the Tweet Cardinal because it's a pretty good deal too. Holiday Blooms. Winner. Winter Welcome Sled. Super best friend. There is also, and I always mention it, it's not a new set, Christmas Blooms. I'll just put a general link for it. It is $13.99 from $21.99. It goes very well with the Holiday Blooms. Up next, there are some great deals right here in these 2 collections. The 4-petal collection and then the Floral Reflection collection. Both of them are similar but different. I love both of them. The main dies in each one, and both of these are on sale. Floral Reflection dies. This one is going from $18.99 to $11.39. That's a good deal. Then there is the 4-petal Thank You Floral. This one is going from 20-something to $13.19. Both are fabulous sets. So fabulous, I already bought a second one, okay? And I have a second one of this. As you can see, there are 2 different styles. Floral Reflection. Here are 2 examples of it. Love both ways, right? It's like night and day type of style. Love, love, love. This background, that is the Essential Floral Reflection die set, which I have right here. This is from $24.99 to $14.99. There is a bundle. I don't see the bundle in this sale, so I would do the two separate items. If I look at the bundle and I see that the bundle is a little better, I'll put that in the link below as well, but I believe it's going to be separate. But still, great deal. Fabulous. Look at that. Love, 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 love. Have it upside down for you with the wax seal. See how it works? Even upside down, it looks floral reflection, right? I'm going to show you a ton of examples now. 4-petal collection. These 3 items are on sale. Essential 4-petal. Love this layering die set from $26.99 to $16.99. If you love it, this is almost like 2 for the price of 1. Scrolled punch and pierce plate. That goes with this set as well. And then the florals, 4-petal thank you. 13 something I said was on sale. Most recently, with the Stitched for Christmas collection, there it is in the background. She just offers, even during the holidays, it's a great die set. 2 layers to make that frame. But most examples you saw from me in the past, because I love this set so much. Let's talk about card number 1, background, florals, love. Let's bring in that punch and pierce scroll. Here again, that's the layer alone, working with the Better Press. This is that starter flower that comes in your Better Press set. This is one of those Better Press sentiments. Twine, stitched twine, that's on sale. So a lot of the standalone sealed by Spellbinders dies, the older ones, those are on super sale in this sale as well. Another version. There's a floral. This background here, that's on sale. But the deal I don't think was, it was an okay deal. This one is a stitched. A lot of stitching dies are on sale. I would go in your wish list first. See what items you really wanted, if those are like on super sale now. Then go into this sale and then go page by page by page. And maybe also add some of these notables if you've been waiting. Here's some more examples of this same Essential 4-petal, whether you're using it with stamps or die cuts or an accent. It's fabulous. So this is the Essential 4-petal labels, and I'll just put the whole Essential 4-petal collection because it was a big collection. All right, moving on. Here are some noteworthy sentiments in this sale because of the great deal. First up, thanks enclosed sentiments, 42 dies. This normally retails for $29.99. Now you can get it for $17.99. Thumbs up. Great deal. You get all these sentiments. Love. You can take a closer look on the Spellbinders website. Yana's Wonderful Script Sentiment die set. Love. This one from $24.99 to $14.99. You get hello, wonderful, beautiful, and you. Beautiful, scripty. See? There's some of the script right there with the beautiful, okay? I've used it many times. Next, Simon's Everyday Sentiments die set. This one, love, love, love. Thanks, thank you, happy birthday, thinking of you, hello. This one is going from $24.99 to $14.99. Again, thumbs up. Now, let's talk about foundation dies that are in this sale. So there are a few foundation dies that are in this sale, but the noteworthy ones, that's the one I'm going to talk about here. First, one of my by far favorite sets, Fluted Classics, the collection. The only one I saw out of this whole set that is in this sale. But still, you might want to add it to your stash. Fluted Classics Rectangle. Here it is with 2 stamped images. Here it is with a die cut and a wax seal. Here it is again with a stamped image, layered up twice. Now this one goes out to a full A2. Why this die set is so nice? Because it helps you to finish off things, especially when you have something like this. You want to finish off your card and elevate it a little. Fluted Classics, that's the collection to go for. I will link the whole collection. I don't believe everything else is on sale, but I did see this one in the sale. Fluted Classics Rectangles is going from $24.99 to $12.50. Love, love, love. I mean, even in different colors, look how pretty it is. It's just a classic. She'll help you finish your card and elevate your card. Postage Edge Shapes Collection. For a long time, all of this was available. You had rectangle, oval, circle, square, slimline. Now, this is a set that I was telling you, some of it is gone at Spellbinders. Is in this sale are these sets. Circle, square, and slimline. These are going from $26.99 now to $13.50. Here's an example of square. See here with the wax seal, the seal twine, that's on sale, the standalone die. Here it is, circle. Here it is again. That's from the Kit Club in June as a porthole with the circle. So there's still opportunity to play here. If you don't do slimline, skip that. You could get these two because you can definitely use them. The rectangle though is fabulous. It does have an oversized piece, but in here there is a true A2, okay, with the layers. You're getting both that postage edge, but you're also getting this pierced detail. So it's two sets of layers in this set. I can't speak enough of postage edge. I used it for this card too to make a frame. So if you don't have the matting layers, which I'm going to go into next, you could also use it to make frames too. That piece, but that's the rectangle, okay? So postage edge is slowly disappearing, and at this price you might want to consider it. This is the one that I got from the spring cleaning warehouse sale. Fabulous. The main one, this is the precision layering A2A and precision layering A2B. Both of these are in stock. They normally retail for $24.99. Now they're $14.99, so you can then pretty much get two, and it's close to the price of one when it's not on sale. Fabulous set of layering dies you get. In each set, 16 dies, 32 in total. Yay! Also in this sale, another winner, the 5x7. 5x7 Matting Basics A and Matting Basics B. Love this set as well. Here is some examples, recent examples of me using them actually. This is the Precision A2 layering. This is with Yana's Delightful Christmas Collection. See how I made the frames and layering up? Yes, you can cut a rectangle. You can cut all those shapes with your trimmer. It's getting these frames and getting that little spacing in between. This one will bring you down to an 1/8 of an inch border. That's super thin. That means it's a 1/16 of an inch on each side. Super cool set and great price point. This one, the matting layer, that's normally $29.99. Now it's coming in at $17.99. So that's the rectangle, that's the square. Yana's Delightful Christmas, or I like to call it the Glimmer Glam Collection. Still calling it that. The mini slimline that is there as well. That is precision layering A and B. I haven't used this one yet, but I got it at a really good deal. This one is just a couple dollars more, like $2 more per set, okay? So it's not like you really missed it on the spring cleaning warehouse. It's still a good deal now. Next foundation that you might want to get if you haven't gotten it yet. Essential Arches and Essential Diamonds. Essential Arches from $24.99 to $14.99. Fabulous foundation set. So is Essential Diamonds. Essential Diamonds, same thing. $14.99 from $24.99. There's an example of Essential Diamonds. This is just playing with die cuts. And look at that. Love it, love it, love it. These two are great foundations. This one in particular for making scene cards. Use it for frames to make scenes. Essential Arches. So in this case, you could get these two for the price of one. Yay! If you've been waiting, this might be the time. And then this one, Labels 5. This one sold out in 2 seconds when we had the spring cleaning warehouse sale. I got it for like a few dollars more than the spring cleaning warehouse sale, and it's super cute. This is from the Throwback Collection. Throwback Collection, limited quantity, will not be there forever. They brought back a few things, then after that, bye. So if you've been wanting something from the Throwback, definitely take a look. Two little extras that you might be interested in. A lot of Susan Tierney Coburn's floral die sets are on sale, but this one in particular I love because you get the mason jar and you get to make really pretty, easy to make lavender. This one is called the mason jar and lavender die. Normally $29.99. Now it's $17.99. Super pretty. You could use this one any occasion. Birthday, Mother's Day, sympathy cards, thank you cards. It just has that look that you can definitely work with. So this one you might want to take a look at. You can also take a look at some more of Susan's die sets that are on sale. Some of them are Christmas and some are not. In case you want to work on your 3D floral building, this might be the time with those sets. Also, I showed you this recently, Charming Cottage Box. It came down to $15 from $29. Now it's $17.99, $2 more. But you can build a really nice 3D box. And this is with that classic Christmas collection, the bird and poinsettia die set right here. So you can build it all the way out. One viewer, she reached out to me on Instagram. She made a Halloween one with this. She even did the roof tiles here. I think her name is Lisa. Hey, Lisa. She did roof tiles on it and put some ghosts and stuff. So you don't have to always go Christmas, but it is there. You can use the windows, don't have to. And then it comes with this really cute tag too. Love this little box. Great sizing too when it's done. You can fit a lot of candy in this. All year round charming box. Alrighty, crafters, everything will be detailed and linked below. Thanks so much for watching. Take a peek at this little die cutting sale because there are some goodies in there. Thumbs up. Alrighty, crafters, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.